Merhaba and Namaste from Istanbul. I'm Upasana and welcome back to my channel. Now the past few days has been a total mess in Istanbul because either it's snowing or raining or it's not sunny and blah blah blah, and when it snowed it just lasted for a day and I missed the chance to shoot. I hope it snows again. And in the meantime I actually went out one day to shoot and this is what happened. It was so windy that I couldn't, for the love of God, I couldn't speak a word. But when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I did go out to buy a tiny little cake, this time not a big one because I would have to eat it alone again. So I did buy a cake and blew out the candle and ate it. And I really wanted to say how much I appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel. As the title suggests, we are back with another episode of ABC of Turkish with Upasana, and in the meantime, I wanted to first tell you that in my last video there was a typing mistake in one of the words that I had put on the screen, which I'm going to show you right now. Bende, me too. Or you can even put in a longer sentence saying Ben de memnun oldum. Ben de memnun oldum. I'm pleased to meet you too. Thanks to the subscriber who had pointed out that typing mistake, and hope you all have rectified that in your notes. Now let's get started with the days of the week and months of the year in Turkish, and at the end of the video there'll be a bonus lesson, tiny little bonus lesson, so keep watching. The days of the week are Pazartesi, Salı, Çarşamba, Perşembe, Cuma, Cumartesi, Pazartesi. That's it. I'm kidding. Let's go one step at a time. So, the word for Monday in Turkish is Pazartesi. Pazartesi. The word for Tuesday is Salı. Salı. Not Sally, Salı. The word for Wednesday is Çarşamba. Çarşamba. Thursday, Perşembe. Perşembe. Friday, Cuma. Cuma. Don't forget the C is pronounced as J in Turkish, so it's not Suma or Chuma, it's Cuma. Saturday, Cumartesi. Cumartesi. Sunday is Pazar. Let's revise. Pazartesi, Salı, Çarşamba, Perşembe, Cuma, Cumartesi, Pazar. Very simple, right? Moving on to the months of the year, which goes like this. Ocak, January. Şubat, February. Mart, March. Nisan, April. Mayıs, May. Haziran, June. Temmuz, July. Ağustos, August. Eylül, September. Ekim, October. Kasım, November. Aralık, December. Mind you again, it's not Aralık but Aralık. All of these words and the days of the week and months of the year, doesn't matter what it is. If you keep practicing, all of this is going to be very, very easy for you. And no matter what language you're learning, unless you practice, there's just no point. But it's always good to keep your mind open. I'm sure most of you will be very, very fluent in Turkish in a really short period of time because of your enthusiasm. The number of messages and comments I get asking me when is the next episode of the ABC of Turkish coming out, and I'm surprised that you're that interested. So keep practicing. I think I should have done this hairstyle for the whole video. Kind of like it. It's cool. Never mind, some other time. So coming down to the bonus lesson, which is going to be numbers in Turkish from 1 to 10. I'm ready when you're ready. Should we start? Okay. 1. Bir. 2. 2. 2. 3. 3. 3. Not uç. 3. 4. 4. 4. Again, not dört. 4. 5. 5. 5. 6. 6. 6. Not altı. 6. 7. 7. 7. 8. 8. 8. 9. I need to sneeze. Let's revise again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do let me know by leaving a like and a comment below, because I love reading your comments, and you all know that I do answer each and every one of your comments. So don't forget to leave a comment below, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. And until next time, stay safe, take care. I love you guys. Bye.